Hi you guys, I'm just finishing up a stage of this mid-century house that I want to buy so badly. I'm obsessed with it. I'm gonna give you a really quick tour of it real quick because it's just so epic. Everyone needs to see it. So this is the front. Oh, look at this. Dining area. Fireplace. These are actually the bar stools from my apartment because they're just so fitting. This is the kitchen. There's a garage and like a mudroom back there, but I'm not gonna go into all that right now. So yeah, just love to make this a total project and like mid-century it out. Look how beautiful. Here's the backyard, the pool. Nice grill. We set this up really beautifully. And the view. This has a little tag. I need to pull that off. Back inside. I cannot get over it. I'm just like, I want this house so bad. One day. This little mid-century setup here. And a little balcony. Oh, look at that chandelier. I mean, just look at this. Master, king bed. And then here is the master bath. I literally feel like I'm in Palm Springs. So funny. Look at that. I always forget what that's called. Is it a bidet? I don't know. It's just so 70s. Love this mirror. Here I am. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, I can show you the 2 bedrooms downstairs. I just want to like buy this and turn it into an Airbnb and design it and make it like super authentic mid-century. So there's a bathroom here, and then here's another bedroom and another bedroom. And this little walkway goes all the way around the whole property, which is really cute. Anyway, that's it. I'm heading out. Project is complete. Leaving good vibes for the lucky person that gets to own this house. This is what it's starting to look like as we destage. Just have the little pile of art over here, all the rugs right here. Got some stuff outside, just so we can see how we want to load the truck. It's actually really all lightweight. We try to buy really lightweight furniture. It's really hot. And make our job easier on ourselves, but a lot of people ask what we do with the furniture. We keep it as our inventory, and we reuse it in other houses. We've been really busy, so we can hardly even keep up with inventory. We're having to buy a lot of new stuff right now, but yeah, we'll store it and then we'll reuse it in the next property. So look how cool my shoes are. I'll link them.